Good morning, children. In the last class, we have solved the problems on rational number using the mathematical operation, addition and subtraction. Okay. I hope you all solved the problem and very clear in how to add or subtract the rational numbers. Today, in this section, we are going to see about the how to divide and multiply. Okay. How to use the operation of multiplication and division in rational numbers. Okay. First, in that we are going to solve the exercise problem 4.2. Until the 6th problem we have completed. Now we are going to solve the 7th problem. See the 7th problem, multiply. We have to multiply the given rational numbers. Okay. In addition, we have one rule. If you want to add or subtract the rational number, we have to see the denominator. If the denominators are same only, you can add or subtract the rational numbers. Otherwise, we have to take the LCM. Then only we have to add or subtract the rational numbers. But in multiplication, there is no need to see the denominators. You can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And the one thing you have to remember, if you are able to simplify the any rational number, in standard form you will simplify. No, like that if very possible that is to simplify the rational numbers, you can simplify and then multiply. Okay, because multiplying and simplifying will take longer time. But simplify first, then multiplication is very easy. Okay, so first here, see the first rational number what we are going to multiply, minus 7 by 81 into minus 36 by 49. Here we are having two different rational numbers to multiply. What I told, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And we have to know the rules of integers of multiplication. Okay, what are the rules of multiplication? We know that minus into minus is plus, and minus into plus into minus is minus, or plus into plus. If you are multiplying plus into plus, it is also plus. Plus into minus, it will also give you the value minus. Okay, so remember this integer rule for multiplication. Minus into minus, the answer will be in the form of plus. You have to multiply and give the answer in plus. Minus into plus also the answer will be in minus. Plus into plus, the answer will be multiplied and answer will carry the positive value. And plus into minus also minus. The same rule is followed for the division also. First we will go for the multiplication. What are the two numbers we are having here? Minus 7 by 81 into minus 36 by 49. Okay. So without first going to the direct multiplication, see any number is there in the numerator and denominator that can be simplified. Okay. So see here I am rewriting the question. Minus 7 by 81 into minus 36 by 49. Here any two number in the numerator do not have the common factor. Check with 7 and 49. 7 and 49 have the common factor. By seeing the number itself we can guess it, isn't it? So if I want to simplify, 1 7 is 7 and 7 7s are 49. Okay. So what is the remaining in our hand? Minus 1 by 81 into minus 36 by 7. And I think to simplify again, yes, 81 and 36 have the common factor. For 36 and 7 I don't have any common factor. But for 36 and 81 we have a common factor 9. Yes, 9 is the common factor we are having. So I can take this 9 9s are 81. Simplifying by 9. Okay. So 9 9s are 81. Here if I want to simplify by 4, 9 4s are 36. So 4 9s are 36. So what's the remaining number we are having? Minus 1 by 9 into minus 4 by 7. Okay, minus 1 by 9 we simplified and we got the multiplication here to rational number, very simple numbers. Also this 4, 9, 7 doesn't, for example 4 and 7 does not have any common factor. Also 4 and 9 does not have any common factor. So we can't simplify more than this. In this stage multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. Now go with the rule. Minus into minus, we are multiplying minus and minus. Minus into minus means the answer will be in the form of plus. So plus, if you want the symbol minus is always mentioned. Plus means we won't usually mention the symbol. Okay. So 4. 1 into 4 is 4 by 9 7s are 63. 9 into 7 is 63. So the final value of this product of this two number minus 7 by 81 into minus 36 by 49 is 4 by 63. Okay. So remember in mind, how to keep the rules of integers in mind as well. Okay, by seeing the number, which two number has the common factor? We can simplify the number using their common factor. For example, here 7 and 49. Okay, I have some common factor for these two numbers, so I am simplifying them. After that, 36 and 81 have the common factor 9. So I am simplifying by 9. At one stage, we are not having any common factor to simplify. So I am multiplying and giving the final answer here. Okay, let's see the next problem now. Rewrite the question again. 13 by 60 into 105 by 52. Is any common factor for 13 and 60 or 105 and 52? No. But we can find the common factor in the opposite side. Isn't it? 13 and 52. 13 is a prime number. But 13 into 4 is 52. 13 into 4 is 52. 13 is a factor of 52. So I can simplify. 1 13 is 13 and 4 into 13 is 52. Okay. Now, what is the remaining in our hand? 1 by 60 into 105 by 4. Any other numbers to simplify which has the common factor? Is 60 and 105 will have some common factor. Isn't it? It ends with 0 and it ends with 5. So always the number ends with 0 and 5 will have a common factor 5. So divide by 5. 12 into 5 it is 60 and 21 into 5 it is 105. We are having 12 and 21. Rewrite the numbers step by step to do the problem step by step. If you are able to do the calculation in one step we can do, but doing step by step will avoid you the mistakes. So 21 by 4. See again any common factor is there? Is for 12 and 21 we can reduce by the common factor what? 3. Because 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. So 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. Okay. So we are having finally 1 by 4 into 7 by 4. Anything more to reduce here? No. So multiply and give the value. Both are positive. So the answer will be positive. So 1 into 7 is 7. And 4 into 4 is 16. So 7 by 16. Now see the third problem here. Minus 125 by 630 into minus 497 by 375. So minus 125 by 630 into minus 497 by 375. Okay, shall we start simplifying this? We will start with the digit 5 because both the number ends with 5, so surely we will have the common factor 5 in it. So we will start with it. Okay, so 25 into 5, 125. Okay, otherwise 2 5s are 10 divided 2, so 5 5s are 25. Here also start solving with 5, 7 5s are 35 divided 2, so 5 5s are 25. So what is the remaining in our hand? Minus 25 by 630 into minus 497 by 75. Okay. Now also for 25 and 75 we have the common factor 5. Otherwise 25 into 3 is 75. We know that 25 into 3 is 75. If you want to directly cancel you can cancel that. Otherwise go with 5. Okay, simplify using the factor 5. It will take one more step to solve, no problem. Here I directly solve 25 into 5 and some 25 into 1 is 25 and 3 into 25 is 75. Any other option to simplify? There are two big numbers. Okay, we can multiply but we have to check any other option to simplify. 630 and 497. Okay, so things for 63 and 497 it ends with 7. So any common factor is there? Yes, we can simplify by 7. So 9 7s are 63. So 0. Here simplify by 7. 7 7s are 49 and 1 7 is 7. So what is the remaining in our hand? Minus 1 by 90 into minus 71 by 3. Minus 71 by 3. Because 7 7s are 49 and 1 7 is 7. We simplified by 7. Now see here for 71 and 90 there is no other common factor. Also for 71 and 3, there is no common factor, so we can't simplify using the common value. Now just multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator and with the denominator and give the final answer. Now multiply them. Minus into minus will become plus. 1 into 71, it is 71. 90 into 3. What is 90 into 3? 270. 90 is 27, so 270. So the final value, if we multiply this two ratio number, we got as 71 by 270. Okay. So now we will solve some more problems in multiplication. See the 8th problem. Find the product. Here two numbers here gave us multiplication, but it is in improper fraction. How to multiply this? Shall we calculate the number or multiply the number or add the number while it is in the form of improper fraction? No, we should not do that. We have to change the given improper fraction as mixed fraction, then only how to start the calculation. Okay, so first step what we have to do, we have to change the given improper fraction to mixed fraction. Let us change now. So for the first problem, how we will change? 4 into 8. For example, 3 by 8 means we have to multiply 4 into 8 plus 3. 8 4s are 32 plus 3, which is equal to 35. We have to calculate like this. Okay. So for x are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35 by 8. Try for the second number. What is the value? 5 5s are 25. Okay. So minus 5. 3 by 5. So which is equal to minus 5 into 5 and plus 3. Okay. So 5 5s are 25 plus 3, which is equal to minus 28. Take the sign here directly as minus 28. So minus for the common for the number. So 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. So minus, carry over the symbol here, minus 28. So we are having here 5 5s are 25 and remaining is minus 28 by 5. Now see, as we solved the 7th problem, we got two rational numbers for multiplication, so we can simplify and multiply them. How to simplify? Any possible is there? Is 5. So 1 5 is 5. 7 5s are 35. And any other option is there? 7 by 8 into minus 28 by 1. See here, minus 28 and 8. 28 and 8 have many common factor, isn't it? So it has 2 as a common factor. So try to solve with 2 or 8, 4 as the common factor, 2. Also it has 4 as the common factor. So we will directly try with 4. So 2 4s are 8. 7 4s are 28. We can simplify by 2 also. In the next step again we have to simplify by 2. Here I am directly doing with 4 because 4 is the highest common factor we are having for 8 and 28. So I am taking 4. So 4 8s are 2 and 7 4s are 28. The remaining 7 by 2 into minus 7 by 1. So the final answer is 7 7s are plus. Here it is considered as plus into minus, minus, integer rule. Plus into minus is minus, the answer will be minus. So 7 7s are 49 by 2 into 1 is 2. See the answer we got minus 49 by 2. Whether it is correct only, shall we conclude here? No, because we have to give the answer always in the standard form. But here it is in the form of improper fraction. So what we have to do? We have to change to the mixed fraction. So how to change? We have to divide 49 by 2. If we divide 49 by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 9, 4 2s are 8, remainder 1. We are having remainder 1. So how to write in the mixed fraction, which is equal to minus symbol is there. So minus, what we have to do? We have to take the quotient, minus 24, remainder. What is the remainder? 1. 1 by 2. So see, 24 into 2 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So we got the answer minus 49 by 2. Whenever you are concluding the answer, surely you have to keep in mind the answer should be in the standard form. Okay. But here it is coming in the improper fraction. So we have to compulsorily change the answer in the form of mixed fraction by dividing the number. Okay. Using the quotient and remainder. So the final value for this given multiplication is minus 24, 1 by 2. Okay. Now The option B, second problem, is also in the same format only. You can try that, but do now. So we have to change the question. This is in the form of mixed fraction, so we have to change to the improper fraction. So how to change it? Shall we do that directly? Is 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, which is 38 by 5. And question there is minus, so keep main and minus, into 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 5, 40 by 7. First we are changing this number to their improper fraction. Okay, so see, 7 5s are 35, 36, that's all 38 by 5. 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 5 is 40 by 7. Now, anything to simplify? Check. Is this 1 5 is 5. 8 5s are 40. 1 5 is 5, 8 5s are 40. The remaining number is minus 38 by 1 into 8 by 7. For 8 and 7 there is no common factor, as well as 38 by 7 also doesn't have any common factor to simplify. So you have to go with the multiplication 38 into 8. 38 into 8, if we go 4, 0, 3. So minus 304. Find minus 304 by 7. Now check the answer again, whether the answer is the standard form. No. So we have to check the answer in the standard form by giving the answer in the mixed fraction. So how to do that? So 304 we have to divide by 7. So 4 7s are 28. Remainder 2, 24. 3 7s are 21. Remainder is 3. So what is the answer finally we are having? Minus 43, and the remainder is 3 by 7. Minus 43, 3 by 7 is the final answer for this given product. Okay. So whenever you are finding the mixed fraction, whether in addition, subtraction, division or multiplication, change first step is how to change the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. Then only how to start doing the calculation. Okay. Now see the ninth problem. In that they gave something to multiply and we have to find the unknown value x in this given equation. Okay. So here we are going to perform the multiplication process and we are going to, as well as we are going to find the value of x. Okay. So see here the first subdivision, minus 9 by 16 into 4 by 3. First we are going to solve this side using multiplication and we are going to compare to the next side and we are going to find the value of x. Okay. So how? First try write the question, minus 9 by 16 into 4 by 3 is equal to x by 2. If you want to, if I multiply only I can solve. So first multiply that. Okay. So for multiplication I am going to use for simplification. So 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9 and 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. The remaining is, this is simple calculation only. So what is the remaining we are having? Minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 1. We can consider it as 1 itself equal to x by 2. Now that is we can write it as minus 3 by 4 into equal to x by 2. We want to find the value of x. So take 2 to the right side of the equation. 2 is here under division. It comes here. It comes under multiplication. Goes to the numerator. Okay. So minus 3 into 2 by 4 equal to x. We can write it as x is equal to 3 2s are 6 minus 6 by 4. Change the answer to the standard form. We have some common factor for 6 and 4 other than 1. So what it is? 2. We can simplify by 2. So simplify by 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So we got x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Whether the answer is standard form? No, it is an improper fraction, so we have to change to the mixed fraction. It is simple only, no? Minus equal to minus 1 into 2, 1. So see, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 1 of 1 by 2, minus 1 into 1 by 2. That is the final answer for x. So we got the value of x is equal to minus 1, 1 by 2. So see, to identify this unknown value, first we have to make this number as a single number by multiplication. For multiplication, directly first I am going to simplify the numbers, then multiply and we got a value. Then we have to find the value of x. See the number, whether some number is in addition with x, subtracted with x or divided. So here the x is divided by 2. Otherwise, the x is in the 2 is in the denominator. So if it goes to the next side, it goes to the numerator or multiplied with the numerator number. So we are multiplying and getting the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. See the second problem, minus 4 by 27 into 189 by 64 equal to x by 4. So first minus 4 by 27 into 189 by 64 equal to x by 4. Shall we simplify first? Yes. 1 4 is 4. 16 into 4 is 64. Simplify. See 4 is into 4. So it is possible to divide by 4. So 1 4 is 4. 16 into 4 is 64. The remainder is minus 1 by 27 into 189 by 16 equal to x by 4. Now anything to simplify more? Yes. See here 27 and 189. It ends with 9. Here 27 is also has a common factor 9. So I started simplifying by 9. 3 9s are 27. And here 2 9s are 18 and 1. Again we can simplify this. First rewrite the numbers what we are having, then simplify. So into 21 by 16 is equal to x by 4. Now again simplify. 1 3 is 3. 7 3s are 21. So in our hand, if I multiply this, minus 1 into 7, minus into plus is minus. So minus 7 by 1 into 16 is 16 is equal to x by 4. We need to find the value of x only. So rearrange the equation for x. So we got x is equal to 4 into 7. That is minus 7 into 4 by 16. 4 goes here. So multiply with the numerator. So we got x is equal to minus 7 into 4 by 16. Simplify this because we are having one number to simplify. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So the answer is minus 7 by 4. But it is an improper fraction. Whenever you are having the fraction as the answer, check whether it is proper or improper. Again, it is an improper fraction, so we have to change to the mixed fraction. How to change the mixed fraction? 1 4 is 4. What is the remainder? 3. So 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So minus 1 3 by 4. So the final value of x is equal to minus 1 3 by 4. Okay? Yes. See now, 12th problem, we are going to divide a rational number by a rational number. Okay. In this, not exactly dividing, we are going to change the problem in the form of multiplication and then only we are going to divide. Okay. So see how. First question, minus 3 by 20 divided by 18 by 18. So divide means actually we will write in the process of minus 3 by 20 divided by this fraction divided by 18 by 18. What we will do, we will take the reciprocal number which is in the form of fraction. The denominator will take the reciprocal and multiply. Instead of that, we can change directly as minus 3 by 20 and change the symbol, divide into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second number. Okay. Instead of writing that like this and taking the reciprocal then going with the problem, just change the symbol division to multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second number. Take the reciprocal of the second number. What is the reciprocal of 18 by 18? Interchanging the numerator and denominator. Numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator is the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 18 by 18 is, what is the reciprocal of 18 by 18? 18 by 18. Just interchange the numerator and denominator to give you the reciprocal. Okay. So we change the reciprocal as 80 by 18. Now anything to simplify? Yes. See, 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. And 120 is 20. 4 into 20, 80. Otherwise multiply by 10. 10 2s are 20 and 8 again say how to multiply. But we know simply 0 0 cancel means 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Simple, no? So now write the answer. Minus 1 by 1 into 4 by 6. Again 4 into 6 have a common factor 2. So 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6. So we got the answer. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 by 3. Check the final answer whether this is the standard form. Yes, this is the standard form. So we can conclude the answer as minus 2 by 3. Now, second also it is simple, but explain you I am doing this 3 subdivision. Okay. So what is the first step? Minus 4 by 30. Change the symbol to multiplication. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal of the second number. What is the reciprocal of minus 16 by 39? Is interchange the numerator and denominator. So what is the reciprocal of minus 16 by 39? 39 by minus 16. But to write in the standard form, take the minus to the numerator. Okay, because whenever you are having the minus in the numerator, so denominator, it will not in the standard form, so take to the numerator. Now, anything to simplify here is 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. And 13 is a prime number, but 13 into 3 is 39. So 1 times and 3 times. So what is the final answer we are having? Minus 1 into 1 into minus 3 by 4. So we got minus 1 into 3. If I multiply this, minus into minus will become plus. 1 into 3 is 3. And 1 into 4 is 4. So the final answer is 3 by 4. So if you divide this two rational numbers, we will get the final answer 3 by 4. Whether the answer is in the standard form is the denominator does not have negative. Also for the both numerator and denominator we are having only the common factor 1. And it is in proper fraction format only. Okay. Now come for the third subdivision. The third subdivision is given in the form of mixed fraction to divide. What we have to do? We have to change to the improper fraction. First do that. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 5. Divided by, we will change the divide symbol to multiplication later. First change the improper fraction. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 2. Now what we have to do? 13 by 5. Change the symbol to multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second number. What we have to do? Reciprocal of the second number. Change the reciprocal 2 by 13. Anything to simplify? Is 13 and 13 will directly simplify. So the final answer is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 does not have any common factor other than that. So answer is 2 by 5. So whenever you are getting any two rational numbers to divide once, use this procedure. To make the division symbol to multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second number and then go with the process of multiplication, you will get the answer. Okay. See the 13th problem. What rational number should be divided by 6 by 7 such that the result is minus 49 by 36? If they are asking us to find the unknown rational number which was divided by 6 by 7 and we got the result as minus 49 by 36. Such rational number we have to find. So we don't know what is the rational number. So we are taking let XBB required rational number. Required rational number. We don't know what number. So we are taking as x, okay, common value as a unknown variable as x. So required rational number. So what is given? This is the solution. What is given? The rational number is divided by 6 by 7. That number what we are going to find is divided by 6 by 7. So we can take in the form of problem as x divided by 6 by 7. The rational number divided by 6 by 7. The result is equal to minus 49 by 36. This is given in the question, isn't it? So minus 49 by 36. We have to find the value of x. So how to find? Okay, first x, the y I am changing to multiplication for the next process. So if I change this divide symbol to multiplication, what we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal of this number. That means we have taken as 6 by 7 by 6. 6 by 7, the reciprocal is 7 by 6. Is equal to minus 49 by 36. We want to find the value of x only. So keep x. X is equal to minus 49 by 36. Here 6 is division. So it goes under the numerator multiplication and 7 in the denominator. See? 7 by 6 it goes that side, 6 it goes to the reciprocal. Otherwise 6 is multiplied with the numerator and 7 will be multiplied with the denominator. Now see formal multiplication problem to find the value of x. So anything to simplify? See 1 7 is 7 and 7 7s are 49, and 7 into 7 is 49, and 1 6 is 6, 6 6 are 36. We got the final answer of x is equal to minus 7 by 6. So if we divide minus 7 by 6 by 6 by 7, we will get the value of minus 49 by 36. So the required rational number is x. So whenever you are having a statement problem like this, you can give any variable for the unknown value and start solving by the given condition in the question. So you will get the answer. Okay, here the answer x is equal to minus 7 by 6. Now see the 14th problem. The product of two rational number is 16 by 5. If one is minus 14 by 5, find the other. By multiplying the two rational number, they got the value 16 by 5. Okay, one number is given in the question, we have to find the other number. Okay, again I don't know, we have to keep any variable, so let x be the other rational number, Okay, let x be the other rational number. So, product of the two numbers, the product of two rational numbers 16 by 5, one is 14 by 5. That means we can take x into minus 14 by 5 is equal to 16 by 5. The product of these two numbers means the result 16 by 5. So x into minus 14 by 5 equals 16 by 5. It is very simple to find the x. No? If you understood the question and framed the problem, means it is very easy. Now see, it is very easy. How to find x? X is equal to 16 by 5 if it goes the reciprocal. So 5 by minus 14. We will change to the standard form in the next step. Okay. First simplify. Anything to simplify here? Yes. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. And we are having 16 by 1 into minus goes numerator. So minus 1 by 14. Okay. So 16 and 14 has any common factor? Okay. Simplify by 2. 8 2s are 16 and 7 2s are 14. We are having the answer finally as 1 into 8 is minus 8 by 7. So we got the other rational number x is equal to minus 8 by 7. Okay. So see, if it is statement problem, just you have to read the question clearly. Then take any unknown value how to find this, give any variable for the unknown value and frame the equation first according to the condition given in the question and solve and get the answer. Okay. Okay children. So for our previous classes we have started with the rational numbers and we have defined what is rational number and how to make the addition and subtraction of the rational number. Today in this class we have discussed about how to multiply and divide the rational number. Okay. So you have to go through all the rules and you have to do your assignment problem also clear.